you if your girlfriend burped louder than you? Would it? Or would you be grossed out? Like, is that gross? Let me know.
How was your day today? That's a motherfucking ride, but you love it, you gotta be annoying.
He's a cat. He's a... Oh, he smells it. He said, "Get me down, you fucking ugly bitch."
Shut the fuck up, weird ass bitch.
I am so friendly if people are friendly and respectful to me. But if you aren't, then I'm a fucking cunt. Do you understand? So respect me and I will respect you. Thanks. Oh, and... What exactly is ladylike? I'd love to hear your perception of it, because I just don't really believe in that. I'm not gonna be like, "Oh yes, sir, I'll do anything for you, sir." No, I'm the type of bitch that'll bend you over and beat you silly. I really don't give a fuck. And I'm a goofy bitch. I'm not afraid to be myself. And you're probably being playful with this, but I just want to be a bitch anyway because I'm in the mood. But there's no such thing as ladylike, or maybe there is, but women now really just don't give a fuck. Or at least I'm leading the revolution of bitches who literally do not give a fuck, and I will not submit to any man. I'm the boss. I don't give a fuck.
Ladylike my ass, bitch.
Bye. I'm going roller skating right now. You know, you gotta be extra. But you know what? Just think about like all the people that you see all the time that you know nothing about. Like, who the fuck would see this little girl and expect that she burps loudly, like very loudly? Like, would you ever expect that to come from my mouth? So I thought, yeah. Like, no one's gonna be like, "Oh yeah, that bitch can burp." But I've never had anyone out burp me, that's the thing. Anyways, if I fall on my ass, I'm gonna be fucking pissed. I'll update you.